Hello everyone, it's Simplify Technology. In this tutorial I'll guide you how to easy delete any utilities on your Mac. But before we start, please consider subscribe to our channel and liking the video. Let's follow my steps. Let's launch your browser, Safari or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. I prefer Safari, and here in search bar type torrents app.ru. You can click here and here English. Once your page is reloaded, your language was changed. And here click on free download and direct download link. And now click on arrow in the top right corner and download app cleaner. And here click on manually install. Click on that and choose file and folder and swipe it here. Keep both, and before this click on applications, and here you can find app cleaner and uninstaller. If you have any problem with installation your software on your Mac, you can check this playlist. I hope it helps. In the left sidebar you can click on the program that you want to delete. For example, I click on Blender and there you can see button Uninstall. You can click on there, and as you can see, you can delete all of files that connected with Blender. Let's tap on remove button in the bottom. Congratulations! In my case, I just successfully removed 20 items. You can show details, and here again. Once your program is installed, you can click on close in the bottom right corner, and you can click on next program that you want deleted. It's so fast and so easy, I think. I hope it helps and you can watch this new video or this playlist about Mac software, about Mac system, and see you later.